New GT10 Pro Smartphone, redefine your mobile experience. Experience top-tier technology with the new GT10 Pro Smartphone, designed to elevate every aspect of your digital life. Built with a stunning 7.3-inch HD full display, powerful performance, and a massive storage capacity, the GT10 Pro is crafted for those who want to stay connected, capture brilliant photos, and enjoy seamless multitasking. Key features: 7.3-inch full display. Enjoy an immersive 93% screen-to-body ratio on the 7.3-inch HD display. The GT10 Pro's expansive screen offers a cinematic viewing experience, making it ideal for streaming, gaming, and productivity. 48MP front camera for stylish selfies. Capture stunning selfies with the world-leading 72MP front camera. Its enhanced brightness, vibrant colors, and exceptional clarity ensure that your selfies are sharp, vivid, and ready to share. 108MP rear HD camera. The GT10 Pro's powerful 108MP rear camera with a wide f1.8 aperture delivers excellent photos even in low light, allowing you to point, shoot, and capture your memories with precision. Face unlock for instant access. With advanced facial recognition, the GT10 Pro unlocks instantly, giving you secure and effortless access with just a glance. Powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 performance. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 deca-core processor with 10mm technology, the GT10 Pro handles everything from popular games to heavy multitasking with ease, ensuring smooth and fast performance. Massive storage and dual SIM capability. Equipped with 16GB RAM and 1TB storage, the GT10 Pro has ample space for all your apps, photos, and files. It also features dual SIM card support, allowing you to use two numbers or add a TF card for even more flexibility. Android 13.0 operating system. Enjoy a streamlined, user-friendly experience with the latest Android 13.0, making navigation intuitive and efficient. Other specifications: battery, 6,800 mAh for extended use. Network compatibility, supports 5G and other global communication networks. Color options, black and white. Additional features: 1511 box speaker, GPS, gravity sensor, Wi-Fi, and more. Package includes charger, headphones, user manual, phone case, and protection film. The new GT10 Pro redefines smartphone standards with a sleek design, unmatched power, and impressive camera capabilities, making it the perfect choice for tech enthusiasts and multitaskers.